right, we are going to do a little tutorial on our Blushield W1 watch. Right now, this is the screen that I have on, and you can tell it's telling me the time. It also tells me the date over here, and it also tells me how much charge I have. The light is the screen is gonna turn off after a few seconds if it's not being in use, and that, of course, is gonna save your battery life. There are a couple different things that we can do from this screen, and I will go through them with you. We can change the face if we don't like this analog. We can scroll down or pull down, and that's going to give us different options for the screen. Now these options are just showing us a generic time and battery life, so this isn't what actual time it is right now. It's just right here. You're choosing what look you like. So you can choose any of these, and some of them are going to be easier to read for some people and others easier to read for other people, kind of depending on your style. But here you get the date, or the day of the week, the date, and your battery life, and then of course what time it is. I'm going to change it and go to something more like this. You can see here that we're using military time as well. This one isn't going to give you the date or the day on that one. And then this one, of course, will. So right now it's 13:35, it's Tuesday, and we have 50% battery life. So these are our options, and you kind of choose which one works right for you. Once you decide on the one that you like, for me, I kind of like this one. I'm gonna click on that one, and that's the one we're gonna keep. Now, I don't want it to change on me on accident, so I'm gonna swipe this direction, or I'm gonna swipe to the right, and I'm gonna turn the face lock on. Okay, so now my face lock is on. I can double click, and that's gonna take me back to my main screen. And now, as you can see, I can't change that face anymore. It's gonna stay on the one that I like. Other things that we can do from here is our time setting. You're gonna scroll up, you click the time setting, and this is where you change your year, your date, and of course your time. Okay, so these are things that you will adjust manually to match wherever you are. And then from there, we can scroll up one more time. You can click brightness. From here, you can make it as bright as it can go, or maybe it's nighttime and you're out and you don't want it to hurt your eyes, so you can make the brightness go down as low as you want it. So then there's all these middle areas where you can keep the brightness. Okay, you can always click the button once. That's going to bring you to your home screen. There, you can turn it off by clicking it again if you don't want the screen to be on. If we scroll to the left, we're going to go to the language. This is where you can change the language. You tap on it to choose it. Right now we're English. You can also choose Japanese or Deutsch or German. I'm going to click the button. That'll bring it back on. And then we just scroll back that way. And now we're back at our home screen again. And that is your basic tutorial on how to use your Blushield W1 watch. All right, more information about your Blushield W1 watch. There are a few things that you can change on this watch to suit your preferences. We can actually take the watch straps and replace them. We have different colors to choose from on the website, like teal, white, burgundy, green, even leather, and so those can be switched out, which I will demonstrate shortly. You can also change the screen protector. Okay, so when you first get your Blushield watch, there's going to be a plastic piece that you peel off. But what a lot of people don't know about their W1 is there's actually another screen protector on top of this right now. And if you look closely, you can see little bubbles around the edges there. And that shows you that there is another screen protector on there. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take that off. So you can see with my fingernail, I'm getting underneath it and I'm pulling it off. Now you can leave this on as well, but now you have a fresh, perfectly new W1 watch face. We do have these glass 34 millimeter watch face covers or screen protectors. They're tempered glass, and we sell these on the website as well if you need replacements. Pretty easy to put on. You peel this back piece off and then you put it on this way, and that's going to protect your watch from getting any damage as well. Also, I wanted to point out too that your W1, when it's on, we always have these red LEDs. Now this is part of the Blushield range. This is the part of the scalar technology that the Blushield is putting off. Of course, we know that the red lights are really great for your overall health as well, and that's something you can read about on the product website. This is where your plug goes in order to charge it. It is a magnetic pole. You will notice it can only go on one way. If you try and do it the other way, it will repel. So making sure it's on there the right way, of course, is important, and that the watch is actually still while it's on there. If you move it around, it might lose its connection. Another thing we wanted to show you is how to change out your watch straps. Because we have new watch straps, we wanted to make it easy for you to customize them. And as you can see here, we have these little buttons you can pull, and of course that's going to pull it out. And here I have teal. This is a pretty popular color right now, and so we have these that we offer on the website. And to replace them, separate it there, and you insert one side into the hole. And of course I'm going to struggle with this because I'm trying to show somebody how to do it. Okay. There we go. You just get it right in there, and then it clips in. And then we do the other side. And there it's in. So now we've got a cute little teal watch strap. Again, we have many other colors that you can choose from, and that's just one of them. All right, in this segment of the video, we are going to demonstrate how to apply the tempered glass screen protector to your W1. It does come with a thick plastic screen protector on it from the factory. In the last portion of this video, I demonstrated how to take that off. I used my fingernail in order to take it off of this one. We do put this little note in the package just to let you know that it is there. You can put the tempered glass on top of it if you'd like, or you can remove it and then apply it from there. So for best results, you use these wipes that are included, and you're going to start with the wet wipe. And this is how you clean your screen off in preparation for the tempered glass. So just give it a little wipe. Okay. And then there's a dry one. Dry it off. We make sure there's no little particles on there. It's pretty good. Okay, then this little piece is the tempered glass. It comes in this little sleeve here. On the back here, you'll see that it says back. Okay, and what you have to do is remove this from it, and then apply it directly to the screen. We're going to get it right to the edge there. Kind of got it a little wonky there. Let me redo that. As you can see, if it's not quite right, it's pretty easy to adjust. So I'm going to let it just sit on top. There we go. And then it kind of just slurps itself back down on there. There we go. And then give it a good wipe. And we're good to go. Now you have your tempered glass screen protector on your W1.